In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the laser pointer, highlighter, and pen tools during a live PowerPoint presentation. These tools are essential for drawing your audience's attention to specific parts of your slides and making your presentation more engaging and interactive. Whether you're hosting a meeting, giving a lecture, or presenting a project, mastering these tools will undoubtedly enhance your presentation skills. So grab your computer and let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already done so, locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double click it to launch the program. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to display. This could be a file saved on your computer, a recent presentation, or something you've been working on. Make sure it's the one you want to present to your audience, as it's time to go live with it. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window and you'll see the Present button. Click on this button to transition your presentation into full screen mode. This is the mode you use during live presentations. Now that your presentation fills the screen, you're ready to utilize those fantastic highlighting tools. While in presentation mode, right-click anywhere on your presentation slide. Doing this will bring up a context menu with several options. You'll want to look for the option labeled Pointer Options. Hover over this with your mouse to highlight it, and then select it by clicking again. This menu includes several useful tools designed to enhance your presentation experience. From here, you'll see options tailored to different presentation needs. For now, let's focus on the laser pointer tool. Select laser pointer from the list. This tool is excellent for directing your audience's eyes to specific areas on the slide as you speak, effectively acting as a virtual laser pen without the need for additional gadgets. Simply click and drag your mouse around the slide, and you'll notice a red dot appears and follows your movements. This is your virtual laser pointer in action. In using these tools, remember to be deliberate and thoughtful with your highlighting, accentuating vital data, or segments that need emphasis. This is an excellent practice to ensure your audience stays engaged and comprehends the key points of your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to use the laser pointer, highlighter, and pen during a live PowerPoint presentation. Practicing with these tools before your presentation is advisable to help you feel comfortable using them in real time. They may seem small, but they can make a significant impact on the effectiveness of your delivery. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help make your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Happy presenting!